Hello students! Let's tackle a big comma conundrum. When to use and when not to use commas with essential and non-essential information in a sentence. I know, it sounds a little confusing, so let me explain. First up, what exactly is essential information? It's just what it sounds like. This is information the sentence needs in order for it to make sense. If you remove essential information from the sentence, the meaning won't be clear. So, to signify that something is important in the sentence, we do this by not putting commas around it. For example, the students who studied for the test did well. The phrase, who studied for the test, tells us exactly which students we're talking about. It's essential information to the sentence, and without it, the sentence wouldn't be clear, so we don't put any commas around it. Next up is non-essential information. And this is exactly what it sounds like. Information that is not essential to the sentence. In this case, we do put commas around it. Putting commas around it implies that it is simply additional information that is nice to have, but it's not crucial to maintain the meaning of the sentence. For example, my dog, who loves belly rubs, fell asleep on the couch. If we take out who loves belly rubs, the sentence still makes sense. It would be, my dog fell asleep on the couch. Yep, it still makes sense. So we should put commas around that non-essential information. Okay, let's try one more together. My friend who lives in Texas is visiting next week. Should who lives in Texas have commas around it? Nope. That is essential information because I have more than one friend, and I need to specify which friend I'm talking about. Got it? Okay, so just remember, essential information does not need commas around it, whereas non-essential information does need commas around it. Alright, keep an eye out for these in your writing, and I'll see you next time.